Hey guys, it's Jeff, and this is a little intro video to the Clean Out Hatch Repair playlist. There's a total of 5 videos that go along with this, and if you look in the description, all the equipment, the tools, the chemicals, and everything that I use, I put down in the descriptions and link to Amazon and what other websites that they may come from. This project was not that hard. The only thing that I would change is I probably would have either done it at the end of the season, just because here in central Illinois the cooler temperatures kind of was a pain in the butt to deal with. You know, some days it was a high of 35, some days it was in the 60s, but it needed to be warm. You know, it needed to be in the 50s at least to be doing this whole thing. So just a little bit of a tidbit. Go through, watch all the videos, and you know, comment. If there's something you think that should have been done better, put it in there. I mean, or make a video showing how you would have done it. I'm totally up for that. I'm not an expert. I'm not a professional. But I believe if it's built by man, it can be fixed by man. And so that's what this whole video is for. You know, the top of my swim deck, the top of my hatch is gonna get covered in marine mat, Seadek, Hydroturf, whatever you wanna call it. So there are gonna be some imperfections that are gonna be hidden that I knew going into this. And the biggest thing was to replace it, fix it, and make it so it will last. And this clean out hatch, this thing is gonna outlast the boat. I mean, honestly, I feel like I could throw this in the water and it's never gonna rot. It's completely sealed up. Maybe a little overkill, I don't know. The other thing is, with my boat, and I surf behind it, I have a transom bag that I put on top. So there's about 500 pounds on there, plus people walking on and off. So this thing is rock solid. I could drive on it with my truck, honestly, and it's not gonna move. So I hope you guys enjoy all 5 of these videos. All the links to the next videos are in the descriptions. If you look at the end of the video, if you wait till the end of the video, you'll see the link for the next video and the credit come up. And again, any comments, even if they're good, bad, put them on there. And I appreciate all the support, everyone. And thanks again. Bye.